Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook a sandwich. There's the poor guy. There's Craig. There's the bearded Italian. There's me. Let's get this going. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. What we're doing up for you today is, this is supposed to be Anthony Bourdain's favorite sandwich, Mortadella sandwich. It's not his favorite sandwich of all time. It's his favorite Mortadella sandwich. We got to make a sauce for our sandwich. We got some Blue Plate mayonnaise. This happens to be my favorite new mayonnaise brand. Blue Plate mayonnaise. Just need a dollop of that in there. And we have some Dijon mustard. And this is Dijonnaise is what we're making. And it's equal parts Dijon mustard and mayonnaise. You used to be able to buy Dijonnaise once upon a time, but I haven't seen it in the stores lately. I looked for it and couldn't find it. Anyway, yeah, it's mayonnaise and Dijon mustard together gives you, I think we need a little bit more Dijon in that. I like a little bit of mustard on that. Mustard, Dijon mustard. There we go. Okay. That's our sauce. We're going to set that aside and get rocking with this mortadella. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got my griddle lit. I've got the left side on low and I've got the right side turned off, completely off. But you see it still gets warm. Got some butter going down there because I want to toast up some ciabatta bread that I have right here. We're going to just let that rock and roll on there. That's for our sandwich. Some ciabatta bread. Then we're going to go down with our mortadella. Mortadella, in case you don't know, is an Italian lunch meat. Let me show you. It's like bologna. It's a pork product. It's got big chunks of pork fat in it, and this mortadella has this is the deluxe brand. It has pistachios in it. So we're going to peel off about 3 pieces of that. Drop them right there. They're very thinly sliced pieces of mortadella. We're going to make 3 little piles of mortadella with 3 slices in each. And if you're like my wife, she didn't even know what mortadella was. And like I said, it's an Italian lunch meat made out of pork. And it's got these big pieces of pork fat in it. And this is, like I said, the good stuff. This has got pistachios right in it. We're going to make 3 little piles of 3 pieces each of mortadella. What does mortadella taste like? Well, it tastes like bologna, actually. And yeah, I had just enough here to make my sandwich. In fact, I had a piece left over. Little piles of mortadella. I had a piece left over. I can't give it to the dog because it's got pistachios in it. Guess I'll save it for myself for another time. Got our mortadella cooking. It's a very simple sandwich. We just need to cook the mortadella up a little bit, get it frying. This one here, probably already done. We're just going to flip it over. Yeah, looking good. It kind of makes its own shortening because it's got all that pork fat in it. Then we're going to put some provolone cheese on there. I think a couple of pieces of, I got this sliced very thin, which might have been a mistake. Now it's hard to peel. A couple of slices of provolone on there. Very simple sandwich. Let's say 2 slices of provolone on each because it's sliced thin. This is all for one sandwich, by the way. All for me. Oh man, okay. Yeah, let's get this provolone going, rocking down on there. Yeah, provolone's melting. We're almost done. Just got to get the cheese melty. We're toasting our bread over here. Not quite ready yet. Getting toasted up. And as soon as that's done, we'll assemble this sandwich, and then we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So I'm nearly done here. It smells delicious already, let me tell you. All right, let me get this done and we'll assemble this sandwich, so stay tuned. Okay, we're ready to assemble this. We're going to take some of that Dijonnaise that we made, put on the bottom of that bun. We'll put some on the top too. Dijonnaise. Then we'll get one of these Mortadella thingies. Get it over here like that, with all that melty cheese on there. Beautiful, beautiful melty cheese and Mortadella. And another one right there. And we'll take that other top bun, give it a coating of some of that Dijonnaise. Good stuff. An easy one today, huh? Nice. Dijonnaise. There you go. Let me cut that in half. We'll do a glamour shot, you know, the money shot. Then we'll get a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, there's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. That sandwich came together quickly, didn't it? Here we have a nice Peroni Nastro Azzurro for today. A nice Italian beer to go with my Italian sandwich. My Mortadella. Tilt the glass and pour that beer, Rob. What do you think? We had this last week. Again, we're having it again today. And another good pour, Rob. Didn't spill a drop. Didn't over foam. Got a nice Peroni. Skål. Skål, Shatil. And now let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? Oh yeah, good beer. Let me turn the camera around and get some of this sandwich in my mouth. Stay tuned. Yeah, my sandwich is done. Want to get a look at that? How's that look? Not too shabby. It's mortadella. Mortadella on ciabatta bread. There you go. Let's get some of that in my mouth. Mmm. No napkin? No napkin. Stay tuned, let me get a napkin. I don't like to eat without a napkin. Yeah, that's good stuff. Mortadella. That's not Anthony Bourdain's favorite all-time sandwich. His favorite all-time sandwich is called the Chavito. We're going to be making that soon. Not today. Anyway, that's my video, babies. I hope you liked it. As much as I like that sandwich, I can't wait to go devour it. Mortadella. Good Italian lunch meat if you like it. Dijonnaise. I used to be able to buy it. I don't know what happened. Ciabatta bread. Very basic. Very easy recipe for you. What else is there to say? But here, cheers everybody. Yeah, that's good stuff. Well, you know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up on the iCard. He still can't do it. Look at him. What in the world is wrong with me? iCard. And check out Just Cook the Damn Food. You'll like them. They're cooking up some good stuff. Just Cook the Damn Food. That's the name of the channel. Anyway, come back next week. Maybe we'll cook something a little bit more elaborate. This was very simple peasant food from Italy. Mortadella, provolone, melty cheese on the griddle. Nothing to it. Okay, babies. See you next week. Bye.